what according to you are the common risk factors which can lead to a miscarriage? Things which can be avoided.
So it's little bit difficult to point out at things कि ये avoid करने से नहीं होगा.
Right.
But there are certain cases subgroup where we know ये patients को tendency हो सकती है miscarry करने की.
Okay.
Like pregnancies which are happening at a advanced age, which is now the norm. We are having a lot of patients coming to us who are conceiving at a later age for whatever reason.
Right.
So when it's a age is one risk factor as we call it.
Okay.
Then there are certain medical conditions जो आपको at risk करते हैं for miscarriage, like diabetes, thyroid, some heart conditions, some systemic immunological problems.
Okay.
किसी को होता है psoriasis, antibody वाले issues जो probably rheumatoid arthritis. तो वो डिटेक्ट हुए हैं with respect to the joint and all, but उसका एक systemic effect भी होता है. तो ये at risk patients को उनकी वो medical history में वो जानना ज़रूरी है. Whether that is in control before they plan and while they are pregnant at the same time.
Okay.
So risk factors होते हैं. Then apart from that, another risk factor is कि पहले miscarriage हुआ है. That itself puts you in that category. Okay. एक बार miscarriage हुआ है तो इनका एक recurrence risk है.
Okay.
ज़्यादा नहीं है statistically but है. तो इनको हमें एक वो section में रखना है कि that kind of a thing what we could have do as an add-on in this pregnancy,
right,
which was not probably done before. तो वो aspect को याद रखते हैं. तो that is another risk factor. Previous miscarriages.
Okay. And so ये जो fertility treatments हैं, then they obviously help and they impact your future pregnancies or miscarriages.
Yeah. So the thing is, the fertility treatment से होने वाली pregnancy has the same chances of miscarriage like a natural pregnancy.
Okay.
तो ऐसा लोगों को मानना है in common knowledge के IVF से pregnancy हो गई है तो अभी ये miscarry कर ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमने तो best sperm, best egg को unite करके वो embryo बनाया है and we have done the entire end to end and before.
Right.
So even fertility treatment से होने वाली pregnancies को risk है miscarry होने का because you have to understand the logic. इनको infertility भी हुई है ना कोई वजह से. So somewhere at a subtle level there is an issue. तो वो pregnancy में वो आ सकता है problem. They could have certain issues related to blood flow, the placenta जो form होना है वो. तो fertility patients को होता है. Also in fertility treatments end up with multiple pregnancies many times. Okay. Twin pregnancy हो जाती है. So twins has a risk of having a miscarriage. So they have a role. So we are more cautious overall.